Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this beautiful look with this short bob wig, definitely stay tuned to the video. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Okay guys, so here is the first look of this short bob straight wig that was purchased from Amazon, and the box came with the typical stuff in there. But here is the look of the wig, and as you see, you guys, I am going to have to do a lot of work to make this wig work. So as you can see, this wig is a 13 by 1 wig. It comes with the typical combs inside the wig, and the drawstring to help tighten up the wig. But yeah, you guys, so right now I'm just fitting this wig to my hair. And yes, I did bleach the knots on this wig, and yes, I did have to pluck it, and I had to pluck it a lot to try to make the hairline look a little more natural. But even when I plucked it, I still felt that the hairline wasn't still as natural as I wanted it, because I was just plucking it so much and it seemed like the hairline wasn't like budging. But I did get it to where it was good enough to actually present it, but I felt like, yeah, I could have did a whole lot of more plucking. Okay guys, so to secure this wig down, I am going to be using the Boho liquid gold. I have used this product previously in another video when I reviewed this product. So if you guys want to know more of my thoughts on that Boho product, I'll put it up in the screen, or you can search through my videos to see my thoughts on it. But all I did was pretty much put this product over my whole hairline and spread it out, and then I pretty much I blow dried it to get it a little dry. Now I have to be honest, I'm still not 100% used to this product yet, but I'm getting better with it. I am. So I did let it dry a little bit, and once I was done letting it dry, I did put another layer on top, so it can definitely secure this wig a lot. But to be honest with you guys, I don't think I had to put another layer on top, because with one layer it will help secure the wig down pretty good. Now you guys, this product is not glue. It's just like a liquid gold, as it said. It helps secure your wig down for a few hours or maybe a few days, depending on how bad you sweat or get wet or anything like that. Okay, so once I was done blow drying the product, I just pretty much put my wig on top of the product and just kind of massaged it in there. Now be mindful guys, the liquid gold was not completely dry, but it was a little dry enough for me to actually place my wig on top of it and then massage it in. Then I just put this thing on there to secure it while it's finished drying. So right now guys, now that it's done drying, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off the wig, and once I'm done cutting the lace off, I'll be back. Okay guys, so right now I'm just pretty much finishing up cutting the lace, and as you can see guys, the lace on this wig was too light for my skin, but I'm going to go ahead and use my product, my lace tint mousse. And as you can see, this lace tint mousse is definitely coloring that wig. This wig was really light, and I'm using my sweet caramel lace tint mousse, and as you can see, it's the color of my skin. Once it dried down, you guys, it will dry down to the color of my skin. And yes, the lace tint mousse does leave a little coloring on your skin, but all you need to do is take any type of wet object and just wipe it off, and that'll be it. But as you can see now, the lace is tint on this wig. And yeah, all I'm going to do now is create my baby hairs. I'm doing the typical 3 baby hairs, 2 on the side, 1 in the middle. And yeah, to create my baby hairs, I am using again the lace tint mousse that you guys can purchase off my website, and I am using the sweet caramel, which is the middle shade. But to be honest with you guys, I can go between both the middle shade, which is the sweet caramel, and the vanilla frost one. So yeah, I'm gonna finish up with the baby hairs and I'll be back. Okay guys, so right now I'm finishing up everything. I'm gonna wipe everything up, then I'm gonna go put my makeup on, then bam, there you go. This look is finished. Definitely let me know down in the comment section what you thought of this wig. And you guys, I purchased this wig off of Amazon for less than $50. It was easy to install. You will have to do a little work on this wig to make it look natural, such as plucking it and bleaching the knots. And the plucking section was definitely a little more complicated. But yeah, you guys, definitely if you like this wig, I'll put it down in the description bar if you guys want to purchase it. But I thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely subscribe to my channel, and also thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys in my next video.